Hello everyone, this is Dr. Usha Kumari, Assistant Professor, Department of English. Today we'll discuss the syllabus of BSc first semester General English. In the exam scheme, the maximum marks of the paper will be 50, time will be 30 hours. In part 8, textbook will be The Chronicles of Time. It is edited by Asha Kadyan, Oxford University Press, have been prescribed for intensive study. There will be 10 poems in your syllabus. First will be Let Me Not to the Marriage of Two Minds by William Shakespeare, then Death Be Not Proud by John Donne. Third will be On His Blindness by John Milton, and fourth will be by Henry Waugh, The Retreat. Fifth will be Shadwell by John Dryden, and the sixth Know Than Thyself, Alexander Pope. Seventh will be The Little Black Boy. It was written by William Blake. And at 3 years he grew in sun and shower, William Wordsworth, the nature poet. And the next one is England in 1819, written by Percy Bysshe Shelley. 10 and the last poem will be Crossing the Bar, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. This will be the textbook, and in the part of grammar, that is part B, we will have grammar, translation and composition. The first question will be from translation from Hindi to English, and the second you have to write a paragraph. In the third, common phrasal verbs, preposition and common errors in English. The scheme of the question paper will be like that. The paper will have 7 questions as per details given below. The candidates will be asked to answer comprehension questions based on an extract from the textbook, and there will be internal choice. In the second question, the candidate will be asked to explain with the reference to the context in extract from the textbook. There will be internal choice. एक पैराग्राफ या पैसेज एक स्टेंजा होगा. स्टेंजा को विद कंटेक्स्ट आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है, एक्सप्लेन करना है, फीचर्स बताने हैं. Then in the next question there will be 5 short answer type questions based on the textbook. The candidate will be asked to give answer in about 30 words. There will be internal choice. 5 short questions मिलेंगे जो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में से होंगे, और आपको उसमें से उन क्वेश्चंस को 30 वर्ड्स ईच लिखना है. देयर विल बी 1 ऐसे टाइप क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन द टेक्स्ट बुक विद इंटरनल चॉइस. फिर एक लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन होगा, इसमें भी आपको चॉइस मिलेगी. देन इन द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ ए पैसेज ऑफ 10 सेंटेंसेज फ्रॉम हिंदी टू इंग्लिश. आपको हिंदी टू इंग्लिश एक पैराग्राफ ट्रांसलेट करना होगा, एंड नेक्स्ट विल बी पैराग्राफ राइटिंग जो 50 वर्ड्स का होगा. 5 टॉपिक्स मिलेंगे एंड यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ओनली 1 टॉपिक. देन इन द लास्ट देयर विल बी क्वेश्चन विद पार्ट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आइटम्स. ग्रामर के जो सेंटेंसेस हैं वो आपको मिलेंगे, कॉमन फ्रेजल वर्ब, प्रीपोजिशन एंड कॉमन एरर्स इन इंग्लिश. सो these questions will be divided accordingly and will carry 50 marks in total. Thank you students. Have a nice day.